Alright, fellas, it's time for our annual checkup, our birthday dinner checkup on this good old boy here at the old spaghetti factory, Tukwila. And she's elsewhere. Alright, here she is. Unfortunately, the numbers, as you can see, have been scraped off. Here she is, the good old girl. Let's head up. In her prime, in her glory. Just kidding, it's not really her prime, she's kind of old. She's 10 years old. Oh, uh-oh. Delayed start. That's okay. We're gonna check the interlock date to get a proper reading, but it's my birthday today, and it's basically her birthday too. I think she was installed in April. We'll go ahead and check it out. Oh, that was a nice thump. Basically just like a condition check. Let me see here. Okay, you can't see up there, but it says 409. So yeah, her birthday's in April, and it's 2019, so it's been just about 10 years. So it's pretty much both of our birthdays. Guess I can look forward to that every year. Now let's watch the arrow go out here. Bam. And we're down to 1. Let's go back up. And we'll get our good old cab view this time. Nothing's changed. This cab is just as beautiful as it's always been. I've always loved this cab. Poor delayed start though. As you can hear the beep, and then we start moving. A little bit of a shame, but that's okay. Beautiful cab as always. Oh. There we go. Plop. She's getting kind of ploppy. And let's go back down. That good old Schindler chime. Anyway, so here's your directional indicator. Yeah, that door looks like it's seen better days. It's kind of going slow. Anyways, here's our Schindler HT Premium. Here's your COP. You can see later installation. No Schindler logo up here. You know, just typical Schindler later installation stuff. You know, the general capacity plate, all of that. And the logo is gone. That's nice. Okay, great. Well, it's been a great checkup, as we do every year. And there she goes. And that's it. A happy birthday to both of us.